Hi, I'm Mike Zima, and today on my Motivational Monday video, I reached out to my network and I asked experts in this holiday season, how can I set up a proper branded campaign and how can I avoid bloat and waste in my Google Ads campaign? So I reached out to 3 experts, and Ameet Khabra told me the biggest mistake I have seen is clients wanting to turn the campaigns off due to their assumptions that organic would make up for the lost leads. I've concluded several studies, and at best, organic traffic makes up to 23% of the lost leads when you pause your branded campaign. We need to remember that people are lazy, and if a competitor is bidding on your name, they're not going to scroll down to find you. They're just going to go to the next closest search engine result. So the next option, therefore, is going to get clicked, and this is why a branded campaign is important. Thanks for the tip, and yes, there are 2 different channels. Organic and paid are 2 different channels. You can get them to work together on Google, but you can't neglect either once you start hitting on all 8 cylinders. I speak with many clients and others that simply will not run branded ads for their brand or their competitors. While I agree that it is not cool to have to pay for your brand name, it is also the reality that we live in. Don't fight it, instead embrace it. Every client that does not run branded ads is losing customers to their competition right now. So this is a very important call to action, and if you do an analysis on your brand name and competitors start picking up your keyword, this could be a threat for your brand and they can start siphoning leads off of your website. So take this as a call to action and make sure your leads are not being filtered through to another competitor, or you can actually take advantage of them right now on Google. Thank you so much, Drew Johnson. The biggest mistake I have ever made was not using negative keywords in my branded PPC campaign. We've all been there. Due to the short length of my company's names and the multiple companies who have similar names and products, my ads were showing up completely to irrelevant search queries. This depleted my budget fast. My bounce rate went through the roof and I absolutely got no conversions. And this is very true, and this is also a big part of the Google Ads platform. If you're running a campaign and you're not seeing the results, you can't just turn it off and wait for optimizations to happen. Optimizations have to go into the account and then you have to run the ads. And it's a cycle of repeat and repeat and repeat until you have a good flow of ads that are working. So make sure that you have all the features of negative keywords so you're not paying for your competitors' keywords. Make sure that your competitors are not siphoning off your traffic. And also don't rely on your SEO traffic to replace your Google Ads traffic. They're different, but they're similar because they're on Google, but again, they're different. So I hope you took advantage of some of these tips. Let me know which one of these resonates with you, and I will talk to you soon.